everyone, today I want to come on here and do a quick overview and sort of a review and my opinions on a recent piece that I got actually from the Kate Spade outlet. So I actually haven't been to the Kate Spade outlet in a really long time, but there was an outlet in the mall I was at, so I decided to pop in and I'm extremely happy that I did. So what I picked up was this piece from the outlet. This is the Kate Spade Chelsea Large Tote, and it is a nylon piece. It's a very large tote as well, but after I kind of looked into it, I was so excited about this, and I thought it was just the absolutely perfect bag for a carry-on once, of course, hopefully I can travel soon again, but also just the versatility of it and everything. I was super excited about it. So I decided to pick it up in just the plain smooth black nylon version. There was like a quilted version and some with patterns and stuff like that, but I just thought this was the most versatile and I just personally liked this the most. It was $130 Canadian and it has a rather generous strap drop. So this is about 12 inches and it has a 12-inch height, 17-inch width, and about a 6.5-inch depth. So this is kind of what it looks like. I haven't even taken the tags off of it or anything, but this is what the back looks like. So what initially drew this to me was actually the fact that it had so many compartments. It was just really nice and lightweight as well. And what sold me was the fact that it had this pocket right here, but you can actually unzip it and you can loop it over your luggage handles, which is great. I think this is so compact form factor and just a fantastic piece to use, not only as a carry-on but as your personal item, because sometimes I travel with carry-on only, so I'll have like a rolling luggage as my carry-on and I need a personal item. And so I've actually in the past, for the longest time, I was using the large shopping tote from Longchamp, the Le Pliage line, and that one I just loved because I liked the look of it. It was so lightweight. It could hold a lot as well, but at the same time, it was just an empty bag. Like there's no organization in that at all. And on top of it, I would set it on top of my rolling luggage, but sometimes it would, shift a bit or be just really difficult to maneuver and move around with it. But with this, whenever I see something with this capability, I think this will be absolutely perfect and I'll keep it snug against the handle. So here it is, and actually just regarding the Longchamp Le Pliage, this is comparable, I would say, to the actual large shopping tote size for that. So just a perfect replacement for that, and I'm really excited to use it. So a quick overview of this. So again, here's the back with the optional piece where you can actually zip it closed. So what I love about this is if, let's say, you want to use this as more of like a work bag, or you want to use this as like a diaper bag, you can just zip this up so that it's closed, and then you can just use this as like a regular back pocket. It also has a button closure there. On the sides, it has two open pockets. You could put, bottles or like an umbrella or whatever else you would need. And in the front, it has a nice, easy, large, it goes all the way down front pocket. Another thing that I thought was really nice, and I think perfect again, in the airport, I would probably put like my important documents, things like passports, that sort of thing. There's actually a small zipper pocket that's off of the main pocket, and it goes all the way down to the bottom as well. So I thought that was just so great. Really easy access, but at the same time still quite secure. And of course, the main compartment is large and it is also fully closable. So it zips closed. And on the inside, it just looks like this. So it's kind of hard to see, but there's so many pockets and organizational pieces to this. So on one side, I would say kind of on the front-facing side, there's a full zip pocket and then two additional slip pockets. And then on the back, there is kind of a compartment where you could put, I wouldn't say a laptop or anything, but definitely you could put an iPad in there. It is very lightly padded, so I would probably still keep the iPad in its case, let's say. And then it has just one large open pocket as well. I'll put a link in the description box of this bag on the Kate Spade outlet website, so you can kind of take a look. I believe you can see some of the compartments a little bit better. And another kind of interesting neat thing is they also have like the side bungee pockets that you could probably fit, again, like another water bottle or anything that you just wanted to have separated in there. So again, it's so big and vast. It doesn't have anything where you could attach like a longer strap to it, but personally for me, I don't tend to crossbody a bag when it's this large. So for me, the fact that it had such a generous strap drop was perfect, because then if let's say I'm traveling somewhere and it's really cold outside, I could wear something really bulky and this would fit really comfortably over my shoulder still. I think some people might have some problems with how thin this is and it digging into your shoulder, but I don't think I'll have a problem. I've had bags before with straps this thin as well, and they never really bothered me too much. And so I don't think that will be too big of a problem anyways. I haven't used this yet, so I can't really say anything about it. But if I do have any complaints about it or want to make an updated video, I'll definitely let you know what I think. But for now, just from first impressions and just kind of carrying it around a little bit and just checking out all the compartments and everything that it has to offer, super excited about this bag and really excited to use this as my personal item when I do eventually travel again. And again, like I mentioned, the versatility of this, I could probably also test this out and use this as a work bag. I think that would be great as well, especially if you have more items that you want to carry around. I think it has a great depth to it, so you can really just stuff this full. And without anything in it, it's really light. So that's what I really love about it, being in this nylon material. Not only is it light, but also it's durable, I think, and you can wipe it clean and that sort of thing. But yeah, that's about it. If you have any other questions about this bag, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, thank you so much as always for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, hi. If you're new and are considering subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. But otherwise, I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.